Welcome to HK Academy. With the introduction of Copilot, the lives of teachers have been greatly simplified. They now have the ability to compose well crafted emails, class teacher remarks, circulars, letters of recommendation, and more. Let us now explore Copilot within Microsoft Edge. However, before proceeding, it is essential to ensure that Windows 11 is up to date. To check for updates, navigate to Settings. Then Windows Update and select Check for updates. If there are any pending updates, kindly install them. Here you can see Windows is checking for the updates. Now my Windows 11 is up to date, so I will close this window. Next, we need to update Microsoft Edge. To do so, go to Microsoft Edge, then Settings, select About Microsoft Edge. The system will automatically check for updates. Once the updates are found, you will be prompted to restart the Edge. Click on Reset to proceed. My Microsoft Edge is up to date. Now, in the updated version of Edge, you will notice the presence of Copilot in the upper right corner. Three options are available for your convenience. The first option is more creative. This is ideal for those seeking to generate highly imaginative text. This option is suitable for writing drama, scripts, poems, and other creative pieces that require a touch of creativity. The second option is more balanced, which can be utilized by teachers who wish to interact with an AI chatbot to obtain information. This is a friendly and conversational mode of communication. The third option, more precise, is designed for teachers who need to compose formal emails, drafts, circular, and engage in straightforward conversations. This option ensures a direct and concise interaction. Let us now generate some content. The more firstly, let's select more precise option. Suppose we want to draft a class teacher remark for Ramesh Shah, who is our student. The prompt would be as follows. Write a class teacher remark for Ramesh Shah. His performance in academics is satisfactory, but he has the potential to excel further if he dedicates more time to his studies. A focused and dedicated approach will undoubtedly improve his scores. Let us now generate the content and let's observe what it generates for us. It will take some time. Here it is. Notice the meticulous crafting provided by Copilot. In this manner, you can harness the power of Copilot in various ways to enhance the teaching and learning process. Thank you for watching.